And like I said yesterday, not a good timing to come back to New York. Seriously, not a good timing. It's horrible outside. Horrible timing. I want to go back to Mexico. Horrible timing. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm cold. And I realize now there was a really huge mistake to come back now from Mexico. I didn't have to come back. But now we're here and I need to deal with the weather. I don't want to say something bad on YouTube right now. But yeah, I need to deal with that beautiful weather. New York weather. My hands are really cold. And I left the house with no gloves. Whew. Oh my God, it's really bad outside. And you want to know what's the best part of New York weather? Is that we don't stop. We still need to go to meetings if you have to go to one. You still have to go to work if you have to go to work. Life keeps going and never stops. The time that I have been living in New York, 20 plus years, only one time they completely shut down everything because of the snow. And that didn't happen 10 years ago or something like that. And the other time that they shut down the whole city was for the hurricane that came near New York. And we had flooding train stations and stuff like that. Besides that, it never stops. It never stops. I don't know if you can see, there's still cars running, people walking by. Yeah, because we don't stop. I have to get out of the house. One, to check the car. And two, to get food, because it's kind of complicated for delivery guys to deliver food because of the snow. And sometimes during the weekends, people don't want to cook. They want to relax at home. So I have to get some Chinese for the family. So yeah, welcome to the perfect weather in New York. In my life, I should stay in Mexico.